Hello, option traders, and welcome to SensaMarket. This powerful platform helps you track significant options trades made by large institutions and hedge funds. By understanding the so-called smart money activity, you can gain valuable insights into potential stock movements. Let's walk through some of the key features of SensaMarket option flow. Please note, everything I'm sharing today is based on the paid version of SensaMarket. It includes some functionality that's not available in the free version. Also, all pricing and modeling updates in real time with the paid version. If you're using the free version, there is approximately a 15-minute delay in pricing data. Now, at the top of the page, you'll see the control panel. This is where you can customize the data displayed in the table below. First, there's the date range selector. Next to that is the search bar. If you're looking for a specific stock, simply type its ticker symbol, for example, SPY, and the table will filter to show only the flow for that particular symbol. To the right, you'll find the Filters button. This opens an advanced menu that lets you refine your search even further. You can filter by trade type, option type, calls or puts, trade size, premium paid, and other specific criteria to focus on the most relevant or unusual activity. Now, as you can see, today's market sentiment is around 48% bullish and 51% bearish, a fairly balanced day overall. Keep in mind, this data updates in real time, so the exact percentages may shift slightly as new trades come in. Just a quick refresher, a put is typically a bet that a stock will go down, while a call is a bet that it will go up. Now, the call-to-put ratio is also live and constantly updating. You might see it fluctuate between values like 0.7, so on. Generally, a ratio below 1 means more puts are being traded than calls, which can signal a more bearish sentiment. A ratio above 1 suggests more calls than puts, indicating a more bullish outlook onto the charts. On the left, the green chart displays the top 10 most traded call options, ranked by total premium. These are the largest bullish bets of the day. On the right, the red chart shows the top 10 most traded put options, representing the most significant bearish bets. You can also use the drop-down above the charts to toggle between put premium and bullish premium to get a better sense of where the big money is flowing. This table is the heart of the dashboard, providing a detailed row-by-row log of every significant options trade. The columns here offer a wealth of information, so let's walk through each one. Ticker, the stock symbol for the trade. Date, time, the exact date and time the trade was executed. Type, the kind of trade, such as a sweep, multiple small orders filled quickly, or a block, which is a single large trade. Put and call indicates whether it's a put, a bearish bet, or a call, a bullish bet. Strike price, the price at which the option can be bought or sold. Date expiration, when the option contract expires. Premium, the total amount of money paid for the trade. This often reflects the size and conviction behind it. Sentiment, a quick label like bullish or bearish, summarizing the intent. Buy-sell indicator shows whether the option was bought or sold. Sweep score, a proprietary score rating the importance and urgency of sweep trades. Exchange, the stock exchange where the trade occurred, such as NASDAQ or ACA. Execution estimate, describes how the trade was filled. For example, at bid, above ask, giving insight into trade or urgency. Open interest, the total number of outstanding contracts for that specific option. Price midpoint, the average price paid per option contract. Size, the number of contracts purchased in this specific trade. Volume, total contracts traded for that option on the day. Trade count, how many individual trades made up this single flow event. Underlying price, the actual stock price at the time of the trade. Underlying type, whether the asset is a stock or an ETF. Copy trade. Finally, this button lets you place a similar trade with just a click. For example, right now the ticker selected as SPY, and the trade is a call option with an expiration date of July 18, 2025. If I click Analyze and Buy through the Copy Trade button, I'm taken to the option strategy page, just like the one you see here on screen. On this page, you'll notice this visualizes potential profit-loss graph based on SPY's price and expiration. It's aligned with expiration date, July 18, 2025, and strategy long call, just as shown in the option flow. And you'll see details like max loss, break-even price, and chance of profit. So that should give you a solid overview of how to read, analyze, and follow option flow using SensaMarket. It's a powerful tool once you get the hang of it, and now you've got the basics to start exploring on your own. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.